welcome to Watch Me Animate. Hope you're doing well. Now, have you ever animated a walk cycle and sat there staring at your screen, trying to figure out just why it doesn't look right? Something's off, but you're not able to figure it out. And when you ask your friends and colleagues for help, guess what? They all give you different answers. One person tells you it's the legs, the other one says it's the timing, somebody else says it's the comp. This all sounds like great advice, but the reality is you're quite confused and you are unsure where to start first and what to fix. So here's the truth that you probably don't hear often enough when it comes to animating walk cycles. You see, walk cycle animations are considered to be some of the most difficult types of animations to create. Let me explain. Among professionals, they are a clear indicator of an animator's abilities. Why? Because the walk cycle demonstrates all aspects of body mechanics in motion. In other words, your walk cycle is a perfect summary of your entire animation skill set. And let's be clear here, there is no hiding from a walk cycle. There's many ways to cheat in animation, for sure, but in a walk cycle, you are fully exposed to the viewer. Your walk either looks great or it looks like trash. So what do you need to animate a great looking walk cycle? The answer is you need a simple workflow. Why simple workflow and not just a workflow? That's a fair question. Because somewhere in the world, some university has conducted a study that proves that when something is simple, you are more likely to remember it forever. Right? Makes sense. Animating walk cycles are complicated enough as it is. But what if we can take something complicated and make it simple? That is exactly what I did and why I'm super excited to announce my new upcoming animation course called Walk Cycles Made Simple. In this course, I'll teach you my simple workflow that will guide you through a step-by-step process to create awesome walk cycles with customization possibilities that are endless. This simple workflow will help you clearly understand what to animate, in what order, and most importantly, why. I've battle tested this method on real productions over the last several years and I continue to use it because it works every time. Now, I'm really excited to share with you, it is a simple workflow to create awesome walk cycles. You can join me on my waiting list to get notified when the course is ready. The link will be in the description of this video. In the coming days, I'll be releasing more content around this new exciting animation course, so stay tuned. I'll see you shortly. Thanks for watching.